Today, we're meeting with Scott and Clarissa Perks to find out what their home needs to get hurricane ready.
Good to see you. Tell me about this neighborhood.
We love this neighborhood. This is our house, it's our home. Our kids have grown up here, the schools are great, all of it. We love it.
Talk about living in an older home.
So living in an older home has pros and cons. The pros are, beautiful hardwood floors, and a lot of the interior of the home is still original. The architecture is very cool. We are constantly having to fix things. It's always a work in progress.
Storms. We have a lot here in Florida. What was the last memory you guys have of being in this house in a storm?
The last big storm that we had, meteorologists were talking about the wind gusts in particular. It was scary because of the windows, the amount of oak trees in our neighborhood and in our yard.
Every time a storm comes, we get a little nervous. A couple of them look like they're gonna come right at us.
Yeah.
And it's very unnerving. You don't like seeing that track go. And then I worry about if the house is gonna stand up. I worry about the roof flying off and all of it.
The Perks take me on a tour of their home, pointing out what they think could be dangerous in a storm.
Well, it's super old, all right? It's like
Super old.
1928.
1928.
These are the original windows here.
Yeah.
This one isn't.
Yep.
This one's problematic.
I mean, this feels like a little bit of a vulnerable point at the house. Is that correct?
Yes, it feels like it's got a target, like it's asking for a projectile, to come
Right
through
here.
it.
The Perks' nearly 1,500 square foot home got a new roof just 11 years ago, so they're hopeful it has a few more years left on it. Besides the windows, the other big concern is this giant laurel oak in the backyard.
What do you guys know about the health of the tree?
Well, we actually had a couple of guys knock on our door, tree guys, and they said both of them looked at it and said that, it needed to come out. It was hugely expensive. We want to keep the tree.
To remove this tree would really change the dynamic of your whole home.
Yeah, absolutely. I couldn't imagine coming into our
Right.
backyard without the tree being here.
So we want to keep the tree. That's the goal, right?
Yes.
Well, look, I have some good news. We're going to bring in a team of professionals. They're going to help get your home ready for the next hurricane here in Florida. They're going to be window people, doors, arborists. We're going to come in and do an inspection on your home and do what we can to get your home in a better position to be ready for the next hurricane.